Alright, so I know some of you may be into this, some of you maybe not, but I figured I'd make it for the hell of it. This is our 2018 Troy-Bilt riding lawnmower. I figured I'd make a cold start on it. It hasn't been started in about 2 or 3 weeks now. We pull it out every 2 or 3 weeks or so just to get it out. Haven't had any snow, so there's no plow on it or anything like that. I don't think we plan on doing that, although that would be fun. We just don't have enough land to really have it be worthwhile. Alright, so let's see. Brake is on, choke's all the way up. Just like that, starts right up as you'd expect. Update coming on this soon. Don't know what the feature on this is going to be yet. We'll see. But that's going to do it for now, guys. Thanks for watching.